Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to try to do a top speed test in my 2020 Mustang GT. Just a quick little rundown for those of you who don't know. My car is a 10-speed. It's just a base model with, just the base model with the 355 gears. And I have some upgraded wheels and tires, and I have a Borla S-type exhaust. And that's it. I'm on the stock tune right now. I do have a Lund tune, but I'm not using it right now. I want to do a test again with the Lund tune to see if it's faster. It should be, obviously. But I'm going to get to a place real quick where I can have the car in the light so you guys can see what the car looks like. And then we'll get to doing the acceleration in just a moment. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I parked under this light here. Hopefully you guys can see the car. But this is my 2020 Mustang GT Rapid Red. Like I said, it is a base model, but I have upgraded wheels. So I have 275 35/20s in the front and 305 35/20s in the back. I weighed the wheels, and the fronts are a little bit lighter than the stock ones, even with the wheel and tire. And then the back is a little bit heavier than the stock one. So I feel like it evens out. But obviously with the wider wheels and tires in the 20s, it has more rolling resistance having like the wider tires and everything. But these are my wheel and tire setup. It is a base model. I have this little spoiler back here. Not like this is going to make any difference with the acceleration. And looking in the back here, there's my Borla S-type exhaust. And that's it. Like I said, I am on the stock tune right now. So let's see how it performs. And then in about a week or so, I'll go back to the 91 tune. I just wanted to try out 87 on the stock tune. It still feels plenty fast. But, oh yeah, that's another thing I forgot to mention. I am on 87. So keep that in mind. So I want to compare this to the Lund 91. Ooh, sounds really good. Obviously it's echoes in the parking garage, that's why I like coming in here. But anyway, let's get going here, and I will pick the camera back up when we get on the street here. This corner is actually really easy to slide, so let's see if we can do a little slide around this corner here without pulling a Mustang, of course. Okay, let's see. We are good here, so let's see if we can do a little slide here. Oh my god, that's fun. Guys, this is literally hilarious. So I'm in the far right lane, going under the speed limit by 5 miles an hour, hoping that these cars behind me will just hurry up and go past so I have room. And they're like slowing down next to me. Mucky see mucky do. Look at this car. I'm literally going 62 in a 70. I'm going 62 in a 70. Look how slow he's passing me. Look at this. He is literally passing me at under the speed limit. Alright guys, here we go. Traction off. Wow, it does it so fast. That's crazy. I was paying attention to the road, obviously. Then I looked down and I'm already doing the top speed. That was with drag strip mode. Stock tune short shifts into 7th gear. So instead of all gears going to red line, 6 short shifts into 7th. So you guys could see that clearly on the gauges here. I might try to do another one in like sport mode if I get some room up here, so we might have to test that out. Alright guys, next up is going to be track mode. In my experience, sport mode, track mode, and then S on the shifter all shift exactly the same. Track mode does turn off the traction control, so we're going to go ahead and try a track mode run here. Alright, So let me know what you guys think. Is track mode faster or is drag strip faster? It was a little bit of a different stretch of Mexico highway here, but they're both on a very slight downhill. So that's a little disclaimer, slight downhill. But wow, that's impressive. By the way, guys, I want to do a quick little disclaimer. When I did that run, or when I did the first run, it was in drag strip mode, and when I did the second run, I did it in track mode. If you have the drive mode in a certain setting, it overrides the transmission being in D or S. So it doesn't make any difference with how fast the car is, whether it's in D or F, or D or S. And if you guys are confused by this, I do have a video titled 2018 Plus Mustang Drive Modes, Paddle Shifters, and Roll Racing Explained. In that video, it was in my EcoBoost, but I show you guys what the drive modes mean. So D and S, remember, if your drive mode is in track or something like that, D or S means absolutely nothing. Enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe. Definitely let me know what you guys think of the Mustang's performance in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.